We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this vehicle. We're going to be looking at how to say more names from cars, car brand names too. So stay tuned until the end of the video because there's some fascinating stuff here. Yeah, it gets quite a lot of people confused. So let's break down the pronunciation. Hiace. Some have heard people saying it as Hiace or Hiace. I don't think that's correct. Hiace. So it's essentially like hi and then ace. Now, if you're wondering how the Japanese say it, well, Hiace. It's essentially the mimic kind of the English pronunciation of Hiace. Hiace. So Toyota Hiace is how you say it. That's how Toyota say it as well. So now you know. More videos for you here to learn more pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.